Greetings and basic polite expressions. Let's get started. Hola, this is your universal hello. Buenos dias. This means good morning. You'll use this from when you wake up until about 2 p.m. Buenas tardes. This is good afternoon. Use this from about 2 p.m. until the sun starts to go down. Buenas noches. This means good evening or good night. Por favor. This is please. Gracias. Thank you. If you're really grateful, you can level up to muchas gracias for thank you very much. De nada. This means you're welcome. Perdón, disculpe. Both mean excuse me. You say perdón if you accidentally bump into someone. You say disculpe to get someone's attention, like a waiter or someone you want to ask for directions. ¿Hablas inglés? Do you speak English? No entiendo. I don't understand. At the cafe and restaurant, let's go quisiera. I would like, so you'd say quisiera un café con leche, por favor. Un café con leche. A coffee with milk. Una mesa para dos, por favor. A table for two, please. You can just swap out the number for uno, tres, or cuatro. El menú, por favor. The menu, please. Pro tip is to ask about the menú del día. A fixed-price lunch menu that's usually an amazing deal. ¿Qué me recomienda? What do you recommend? Para beber? To drink. Para beber, quisiera una botella de agua. To drink, I would like a bottle of water. Tinto, blanco. Red, white. This is for ordering wine. A copa de tinto is a glass of delicious red wine. Buen provecho. This is basically the Spanish bon appétit. La cuenta, por favor. The check, please. ¿Aceptan tarjeta? Do you accept cards? Traveling around and asking for directions. Estoy perdido, perdida. I'm lost. Use perdido if you're male, perdida if you're female. ¿Dónde está? Where is? ¿Dónde está la estación de metro? Where is the metro station? Or the all-important ¿Dónde está el baño? Where is the bathroom? La estación de metro, tren, the metro, train station. Un billete, por favor. A ticket, please. You might want a billet de ida, one-way ticket, or a billet de ida y vuelta, round-trip ticket. ¿Cómo llego a how do I get to? This is a more direct way to ask for directions. For example, ¿Cómo llego a la Sagrada Familia? A la izquierda, to the left. A la derecha, to the right. Todo recto. En la esquina, taquería hay, on the corner. For example, la farmacia está en la esquina. The pharmacy is on the corner. ¿Puede llevarme a esta dirección? Can you take me to this address? Shopping at the market. Let's get going. ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much does it cost? You can also shorten it to ¿cuánto es? ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta? Can I pay with a card? Sounds like. Es demasiado caro. It's too expensive. In markets, you might find a little room for some friendly bargaining. This is a gentle way to get that started. Quisiera comprar. I would like to buy. Just like ordering food, it's a polite way to say what you're interested in. Solo estoy mirando. Gracias. I'm just looking. Thanks. ¿Tiene una talla más grande? Pequeña? Do you have a bigger, smaller size? Incredibly useful when you're shopping for clothes. Un kilo de. A kilo of. This is essential for the fruit and vegetable markets. ¿A qué hora abre pa cierra? What time do you open as close? This is crucial since many shops in Spain close for a few hours in the afternoon for a siesta. Una bolsa, por favor. A bag, please. Just like in many places now, you might need to ask for a bag for your items. Qué bonito. How beautiful. Essentials and making connections. Let's start. Necesito ayuda. I need help. ¿Dónde está el baño? Where is the bathroom? ¿Cuál es la contraseña del Wi-Fi? What is the Wi-Fi password? Me llamo. My name is. ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? Mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? Soy de. I am from. Soy de los Estados Unidos. I am from the United States. Salud. Cheers. Veil. Okay, all right, or sounds good. So, which of these phrases do you think will be the most useful for you? Let me know down in the comments. These 50 phrases are your foundation for basic Spanish conversations. If you would like to take your Spanish journey further and achieve fluency, you may want or need structured lessons with interactive practice, speech recognition, and a complete learning path from beginner to advanced. Please find the links in the description below. There, you will find comprehensive courses I personally recommend for committed learners who want real results. If you decide to purchase a course, which means I earn a small commission, there is no extra cost to you. That commission helps me keep creating free lessons like this one for the YouTube community. If you haven't already, please give this video a like and subscribe for more travel tips that go way beyond the guidebook. Adiós y buen viaje. Goodbye.